I'm celebrity trainer Holly Erlinger. Now today's a move that will literally have you jumping for joy, the jump squat. Let me show you how it works. Set up as if you were doing a standard squat. That means you plant your feet a bit wider than your shoulders. Sit down, form a 90-degree angle with your legs. When you come back up, you want to actually jump. Really push into your feet. All right, we got the basics of the jump squat down. It's game time. We're gonna go big on this one. Just like the squat, you gotta get your feet shoulder width apart. The only difference is we're gonna jump on this one. Let's do 5 reps together. Are you ready? All right, we're gonna get into those heels, get your hands up, throw those arms down for movement. Ready? Here we go. Jump up big. Here comes 2. It happens quickly. Come on. Last 2. Jump high. Let's get up on this last one. Nice. So here's what I want you to start out with. Let's try doing 5 reps, take 30-second break, and then go again. Let's see if you can do 5 whole sets.